Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. What happens if you neglect fibroids or any of these female reproductive organ diseases? Remember that fibroids do come because of hormonal imbalance, and they can also, if they are not coming due to hormonal imbalance, they can create hormonal imbalance. And hormonal imbalance can create PCOS, it can create endometriosis, adenomyosis, bulky uterus, and fertility issues as well. So if you're someone who is a teenager, if you're someone who's just married and you just want to have kids, make sure you take doctor consultation as soon as possible so that you don't complicate your problem. And people who have already got married, have their kids, remember that fibroid has very less chance of getting cancer, but although the chances are not zero. And also the fibroid can grow really large, causing a lot of blood to go, and you can face severe anemia, and you have to get a blood transfusion done along with hysterectomy. So please do not neglect any of your female reproductive organ disease complaints. Coming to the consultation part, if you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, remember Fidelis Homeopathy is the best choice. Here we have two kinds of consultation options, one being the online consultation option, the second being the in-person or the offline consultation option. If you're someone who's staying near the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person. But if you're someone who's staying really far from our Fidelis branch, you can contact us either through audio or through video consultation. After the case taking has been done, we will ask you for necessary investigations. If you have already got it covered, you can share it with us. And if you have not, we will tell you what investigations you should be doing, and you can get it done and share the results with us. After the whole procedure has been done, especially to the online clients, medicine will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying elsewhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach you. If you're someone who is suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, or message us on this number to take doctor consultation. Apart from that, if you want to know more about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids or any other female reproductive organ diseases or fertility issues, remember that Fidelis Homeopathy is the answer. We have seen by how homeopathy is more or has more benefits compared to allopathy in female reproductive organ diseases. Now we will let you know why Fidelis Homeopathy is the best choice. Remember, Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. We have had high success rate in treating all of these female reproductive organ diseases. Good success rate is there. Apart from that, transparent treatment. We do not have a gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will tell you about your prognosis and about your condition as well. And the personal care here at Fidelis Homeopathy is top notch. We will be answering you all of your unanswered questions, your myths, and whatever doubts you have about your condition. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose a better life, choose Fidelis Homeopathy. Thank you.